Welcome back to our channel, Steadfast Courage. Gizmo here with you guys. I know I've been off the channel for a bit, and Lee's been carrying on doing his gun reviews and everything like that. You've seen the videos. If you haven't, go check them out. But anyways, I'm here today. I'm going to be, can't really say it's a gear review, but I'm going to change out the lenses on these Oakley shock tubes. I've had them for a while. They got pretty scratched up, and I don't know why, but Oakley does not sell replacement lenses for this model. So I've been looking all over online and finally found some replacement lenses that'll match, and these are ballistic glasses. So I found this company. They are called Fuse lenses. So I've got it in today. We're going to check it out. Let me get into this package and start on replacing the lenses here. But the one thing that really caught my eye about this company is that they provide lenses for these frames that are ballistic. So that works out for me. Other lenses, I don't know if they're probably not ballistic, and I wouldn't buy them. So we're gonna get in here, get this package open, and see what this Fuse lenses are all about. Alright, Steadfast stickers, you guys go over there. Alright, crazies. So it comes with, I don't know, ID me. Offer 15% discount to active duty service members, veterans, first responders, site-wide. Alright, cool. These lenses, there it is. It's a little thing. Give $5, get $5, whatever. Oh, sweet. Pretty nice little case. Fuse lenses, awesome. Replacement lenses. Alright, that's what's up. That's what's up. Better serving those who serve. Fuck yeah. Made in the USA. There it is. You heard it right here. Steadfast Courage. I'm not fucking trying to promote this shit at all, but I just wanted replacement lenses so I could see clear. I mean, I can see alright with these. Like, I can shoot whatever hit whatever I'm shooting at when we're down range, but like driving around everyday type shit, it sucks. It's blurry. So there's a nice little case. Alright, so you got the actual lenses here. Two lenses. Cool. That's what we need. We need two. Comes with this snazzy little bag. So put your glasses in there. They don't get any more fucked up. And a sticker. Fuck yeah, stickers are cool. Right there, Steadfast Courage. Got a buddy. Alright. So you got the little case. Got a replacement lenses. And I had already loosened these up a little bit for sake of the video to save time. But as you can see if this fucker will focus. Right there's a little star screw you got to take off there on both sides. So you just loosen these guys up, get to the lenses. But yeah, my apologies for being off the channel for a while. I've been busy. Really meant to get some new videos out to you guys. Lee's been doing a lot of work by himself. It's not easy to get out there and shoot and film and everything all alone, but him and I will do some other training videos together later on. You'll see us back out in the field doing some shooting. But for now, I just want to, I don't know, I like doing gear reviews or watching gear reviews. Learn a lot of shit that probably wouldn't find out on my own. So those are off. Pop these suckers out. So I'll take them outside and show you the difference between them. Okay, so those are the old ones. Got the new lenses here. It's a little different color. These look lighter than the originals. Original factory Oakley fused lenses. So there is some difference. And these are, I don't know, polarized. But anyhow. Pop these in. Okay. Come on, get in there. There it goes. Alright, and Oakley provides this little dude here. It's a little star key, I guess. Tiny screwdriver or whatever. I don't see why they made it so small, but it's tiny. It works. If you don't have this, I'm pretty sure you could find an Allen wrench or whatever star key to get this thing tight. Alright, one side. It's a pretty good fit once you get it in. It's snug. It's like, I'm glad it's snug. It's not loose or anything like that. Well, alright, bear with me, guys. Try and get this lined up. Alright, go. I'll be doing more gear reviews here in the future. I want to do some, I got some patches. I'll do like a Tactical Tuesday patch of the week, maybe type deal. I don't know if it'll be every week, but something along those lines. Also other gear that I have that's failed on me, or tell you what I like or don't like about certain type of shit. So there it is, it's installed. Looks pretty nice. I gotta clean them up. So there you go. Fused lenses. Oakley Shock 2. Steadfast Courage. Gizmo. We might call it Gizmo's Gadgets or something like that. Gadget reviews. Try to hit this up. Thanks for visiting. Steadfast Courage. Once again, guys, stay up. Later.